Let us do combination sums when at least is present in the question. A team of 6 people is to be chosen from 5 swimmers, 7 athletes and 4 cyclists. You came across information, write it down. 5 swimmers, 7 athletes, 4 cyclists. You need to select 6 from this. Clear so far? Let's continue. There must be at least one from each activity. At least one means one or more, and mathematically how do I represent is greater than or equal to 1 means at least one or more. Clear so far? Next. And there must be more athletes than cyclists. Athletes count has to be more than cyclist count. Okay. Find the number of different ways in which the team can be chosen. I will get multiple options, so I will make a table to show all the options. Okay. Let us make column here, here a column and like this. Now, these numbers should satisfy the condition, and when I add the numbers here, my count should be 6. Clear? These set of numbers should satisfy these conditions, and when I add, the total should be 6. Okay, let us see how many such set of numbers do we get. Let us start. I start with 1. Here also if I select 1, then 1 plus 1, 2, then here it has to be 4. But this 4 is not satisfying this condition. That means here it should not be 1. So if I make it 2 here, 1 plus 2, 3, so here also it has to be 3, only then the count will be 6. But these two numbers does not satisfy this condition. So let us increase this to 3. 1 plus 3 is 4, so here it has to be 2. So A count is greater than C and at least 1. So these set of numbers satisfied the condition and also the count is 6. Okay, next. I put 1 here and I increase this to 4. 1 plus 4 is 5 and here 1. So at least 1 and 4 is greater than 1, so satisfied. Next. 1 here and I increase this to 5. 1 plus 5 is 6, here it has to be 0. 0 is not satisfying at least one condition. So from that conclusion is with 1 being present here, I get only these set of options. Okay, next. Now you increase this to 2. So here if I take 1, I need to take here 3 for the count to be 6. This is not satisfying the condition. So change 1 to 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Here also it has to be 2 for the count to be 6. But 2 is not greater than 2. So this option also won't work. Increase this to 3. 2 plus 3, 5. Then here it has to be 1. Then the count is satisfied. Then the count is 6 and each condition is satisfied. Next. If I take 2 here and I increase this to 4. 2 plus 4, 6. Here it has to be 0. 0 does not satisfy this condition. So what we conclude is this set of numbers will not work. So with 2 I get only one option. Let us increase this to 3. If I take here 1, 3 plus 1, 4, here it has to be 2. This is not more than this, so this is not satisfying this condition. So now increase this 1 to 2. So 3 plus 4, 5, here it has to be 1. This is satisfying the condition. 2 is greater than 1 and at least 1 and the count is 6. Clear? Next. If I increase this to 3, 3 plus 3, 6 and here 0, 0 does not satisfy the condition. So this option will not work. So next, if I increase this to 4 and here I take 1, 4 plus 1, 5, here also it has to be 1. But 1 is not greater than 1. From that my conclusion is I get only these options satisfying the condition and the count. Clear? Did you understand? Okay. Now, I need to write for each row. From 5, I need to select 1. In how many ways can I do that? In 5C1 ways. From 7, I need to select 3. That can be done in 7C3 ways. From 4, I need to select 2. That can be done in 4C2 ways. And all this needs to happen at once. It's and between them, so you need to put into sign. Clear? Same way you write for other rows. See. So this will be 5C1 into 7C4 into 4C1. Here 5C2 into 7C3 into 4C1. Here it will be 5C3 into 7C2 into 4C1. Clear? No doubts, right? Now, it is these set of numbers satisfied these condition and the count, or these set of numbers satisfied the condition and the count, or these set or this set of numbers satisfying the condition and the count. Whenever it is or, you need to add to get the final answer. So add all this. That will be your final answer, and that you should get to be 3990 is what you should get. Okay. Go in an organized way, like increasing, such that you don't miss out on any option. Okay.